G5 Body Massage Machine. Deep tissue relief, lymph drainage, and cellulite reduction in one. Plug in, set intensity, and adjust speed for client comfort. Select the right head, flat for relaxation, deep tissue for tension. Apply a suitable massage cream or oil to enhance gliding and improve treatment efficiency. Moves in circular and upward motions to break fat, boost circulation, and ease tension. Use on legs for drainage, arms for toning, and back for stiffness relief. Sessions, 15 to 30 minutes. Smoother skin, firmer body, deep relaxation. Try the G5 Body Massage Machine for pro results today.